Hello. The drug that I will talk about in this video is called chlorpromazine. And the way it works is by blocking dopamine 2 receptors that are located in the ventral tegmental area. And for you to see, I printed this out for you. And the ventral tegmental area would be in this side, in this blue dot that you can see. This is the brainstem, the pons, the medulla oblongata, and here we have the limbic system that we previously talked about before, and the nuclei or the neurons, the dopaminergic neurons, are going to be here in the ventral tegmental area. So, as we know, dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is released to the synaptic cleft and binds to postsynaptic receptors. It is believed that schizophrenia is the result of an overactivity of dopamine neurons. So too much dopamine in the brain produces psychosis and schizophrenia. Psychosis is part of a set of symptoms for schizophrenia. So chlorpromazine is a drug that was marketed in 1956 to help people suffering from schizophrenia, and it reduced their symptoms because chlorpromazine binds to the metabotropic dopamine 2 receptors, which are located in the presynaptic terminal that we learned in the book, and also in the postsynaptic membrane. So if the dopamine 2 receptor is blocked by chlorpromazine, then dopamine cannot bind to these receptors because the action is inhibited as a result. For this reason of inhibition, chlorpromazine is said to be an antagonist, and for D2 receptors, so chlorpromazine will reduce symptoms of schizophrenia because it will inhibit the overactivity of dopaminergic neurons. So I draw this picture for you, and as we can see, this part of the picture is without the drug. So dopamine is going to be duct to the membrane of the presynaptic neuron and be released here and bind to the dopamine D2 receptor. So each of these is a receptor, and as you can see, they bind. With the drug chlorpromazine, we have, which is in red here, it's going to bind to these D2 receptors of dopamine, and therefore dopamine will not be able, because it's going to be blocked, will not be able to facilitate the action. And I hope that I was able to explain how chlorpromazine helps people suffering from schizophrenia. And until next time, thank you.